If you want to enable or disable Overcharge Protection on the Motorola Edge 70 in order to limit the battery charging, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna scroll down in order to find the battery settings. And then in here, we should be able to go to battery protection. In here, we want to use the battery protection, and you can, for example, set it to manual schedule. You can also choose the smart schedule, so then the AI will learn your charging pattern, and then, of course, based on that, after some days, the phone can recognize when it should limit the battery to 80% and when it should allow itself to charge to 100%. But you can also choose the manual schedule. And if you go to settings, you can, for example, choose specific hours so that the battery will be charging only to 80% if you, for example, keep the charger at night. And you can, of course, choose the range. So, for example, if you always start charging at midnight and unplug at, let's say, 7 AM, then, of course, we can set the limit and the time limit over here. But you can also set it to always so that you will never exceed 80% charging. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.